Welcome back, class. In the previous video we have discussed about the electric field intensity due to an infinite long thin plane sheet of charge, where we have derived the expression E is equal to sigma upon 2 epsilon naught, where sigma is what? Sigma is the surface charge density and epsilon naught is the permittivity of the free space. Today we are going to discuss a case where two thin sheets are there. This is the sheet 1, this is the sheet 2. Sheet 1 has the surface charge density sigma 1 and sheet 2 has the surface charge density sigma 2, and we are assuming the sigma 1 is greater than the sigma 2. So what is the electric field in the region 1 or in the region 2 or in the region 3, right now? So let us discuss what is the net electric field at the region 1. So how can find? Let us discuss what is the electric field due to the individual sheets, right now. So because of the sheet 1, the direction of the electric field E1 is in this direction, because whenever you keep the positive charge here, that will experience the deflecting force in this direction. So this is the direction of the E1. And what is the direction of the electric field due to the sheet 2? So again, when you keep here, so because of this one, away from the sheet, this direction. So if you see here, both the electric field in the same direction, that is why the E net will be E is equal to E1 plus E2, right now. So when you add this one, so sigma 1 upon 2 epsilon naught plus sigma 2 upon 2 epsilon naught, after simplification you will get the net electric field is sigma 1 plus sigma 2 upon 2 epsilon naught. Clear? Now for the region 3, we also get the same thing, because the direction of E1 is away from the sheet 1 and the direction of the E2 is also the away from the sheet 2. So again you will get the sigma 1 plus sigma 2 upon 2 epsilon naught. But to see the third case, for the region second, for the region second, here already we have assumed sigma 1 is greater than the sigma 2. That means the surface charge density of the plate 1 is greater than the plate 2. So what is the direction of the electric field at the region 2 because of the sheet 1? So whenever you place a test charge here, that will deflect in this direction. So see here, the direction of the E1 is in this direction, and whenever you keep the test charge here, you will get the deflection in this direction. So see, this time the direction of the electric fields are in the opposite direction. So in that case you have to take the vector sum. So vector sum, because here the sigma 1 is greater than sigma 2, in that case E1 will be greater than E2. So you have to take the bigger vector minus a smaller vector. So you will get the E net is equal to E1 minus E2. So after simplification you will get the answer sigma 1 minus sigma 2 upon 2 epsilon naught, right now. Let us discuss another case when sigma 1, which is the positive charge, and sigma 2 is the negative charge. But here I am assuming the magnitude of this sigma 1 and the sigma 2 is equal, right now. So for the region first of all, what is the direction of the electric fields due to the individual sheet? So because of, when you keep the test charge here, because of this positive charge of plate 1, you will get the this side direction, this is the E1, right now. And because of the second charge, which is the negative charge, so that will attract the charge towards the plate, right now. So that will give you the E2. So see, this time the electric fields are in the opposite direction. So E net will be E1 minus E2, but the magnitude of sigma 1 and sigma 2 equal. So sigma 1 minus sigma 2 upon 2 epsilon naught, but sigma 1 is equal to sigma 2. So both get cancelled out. You will get the E is equal to 0. So in that case you will get the electric field 0. Similarly for the region third, you will get the E is equal to 0, because again the direction of the electric fields are opposite. See, E1 in this direction, E2 is in the opposite direction. Now see the region second. When you keep the test charge here, what is the direction of the E1? So this is the positive one. So because of this one, the electric field will be in this direction. And see here, E1 is indicated there. And because of this negative charge, the direction of the E2 is also towards the plate 2, because it is a negative charge. So that will attract the positive charge towards the plate. Now this time the E1 and E2 both are in the same direction. So you will get the E net is equal to E1 plus E2, right na? So sigma 1 plus sigma 2 upon 2 epsilon naught, but the sigma 1 is equal to sigma 2 in the magnitude, so you will get the sigma, right na? In the diagram, sorry, it is sigma 1 is equal to sigma 2 and is equal to sigma. So when you put the value, you will get the sigma upon epsilon naught, right na? So these are the cases because of the two thin set. I hope you understand this concept. If you have any doubt, you should mention in the comment section. Thank you.